Ever found yourself staring at a foreign currency exchange rate, feeling like you're deciphering an ancient code? Or maybe you've been hit with unexpected transaction fees that leave a sour taste in your mouth after an amazing trip. If that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a question that pops up quite a bit for travelers and online shoppers in this part of the world. Is YouTrip from Singapore? Now, before we answer that directly, let's paint a little picture. Imagine you're planning a getaway. You've booked your flights, your accommodation looks fantastic, and you're already dreaming of trying all the local delicacies. But then comes the less exciting part, figuring out how to handle your money abroad. Do you exchange a huge wad of cash before you go? Risk carrying it all around? Rely solely on your regular credit or debit cards and brace yourself for those international transaction fees. It's a hassle, right? This is where multi-currency wallets and travel cards have stepped in as game changers. They promise better exchange rates, lower fees, and the convenience of managing multiple currencies in one place. And YouTrip is one of the names that often comes up in this conversation, especially for those of us in Southeast Asia. So, let's get straight to it. Yes, YouTrip is indeed a multi-currency travel wallet that originated from Singapore. It was launched in 2018 with the aim of simplifying overseas spending for Singaporeans. Think of it as a digital wallet linked to a physical MasterCard or Visa card. You can top it up in your local currency, in Singapore, that's SGD, and then either convert it to other currencies within the app at competitive exchange rates or spend directly in the local currency when you're abroad, and the conversion happens automatically. But the story doesn't end in Singapore. YouTrip has since expanded its reach. It's also available in Thailand, where it partners with Bank. This means that while its roots are firmly planted in Singapore, YouTrip has grown to serve a wider audience in the region. What makes YouTrip appealing? Well, for starters, the promise of no foreign transaction fees on overseas spending up to a certain limit is a huge draw. The ability to lock in exchange rates when they're favorable within the app gives you more control over your travel budget. Plus, managing your spending through the app is incredibly convenient. You can track your transactions in real time, receive instant notifications, and even freeze your card if it gets lost or stolen. Beyond travel, YouTrip can also be useful for online shopping on international websites. Again, the ability to pay in different currencies without hefty fees can lead to significant savings. However, like any financial product, it's always wise to do your own research. Look into the specific fees that might apply in certain situations, understand the limits for fee-free transactions, and compare it with other options available in your location. The landscape of multi-currency wallets is constantly evolving, with new players and features emerging all the time. So, to recap, YouTrip hails from the sunny island of Singapore and has since extended its services to other parts of Southeast Asia. It offers a convenient way to manage your money when traveling or shopping internationally, with a focus on competitive exchange rates and lower fees. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.